The future has never been more important, and as business leaders, it's critical that we have a firm grasp on what the financial implications of our decisions are going to be. What we hear from decision makers is that the kind of effective modelling and analysis that's needed to support good decision making takes too long, it's too scrappy, it's error prone, and it's unreliable. We need finance teams that are equipped not just with the skills to report on what has happened, but to look analytically at what might happen in the future and to communicate those insights really effectively. At Fullstack Modeler, we're on a mission to transform the skill set of your finance team, to give them the full range of skills that they need to support effective decision making. And that doesn't happen overnight. That's a journey, it's a process.
In most training courses, you'll spend a couple of days getting some good Excel knowledge, but it's not going to take your team to where they need to be. We'll work with your team for a year to transform their analytical skill set. We'll teach them Excel, we'll teach them financial modeling, we'll teach them about the tools and technologies that can add real value, and we'll teach them how to communicate their message effectively. Our promise to you is to transform the effectiveness of your finance team.